Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Together.
Hi, friends. I'm Lena. We're very happy you are listening today.
Today, we will learn English with social media.
Yes, posting and commenting in English for beginners.
This lesson is slow, simple, and friendly.
Please relax and enjoy learning.
You don't need perfect English.
You just need practice.
Before we start, please like this podcast.
And subscribe to our channel.
Your support helps us a lot.
Thank you so much.
Okay, let's begin.
Jackson, what is social media?
Social media is Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and more.
People use social media every day.
We share photos.
We share videos.
We share our life.
We also write posts.
And we write comments.
Today, we will learn how to post.
And how to comment in easy English.
Let's start with a new word.
The word is post.
A post is something you write online.
A post can be one sentence.
A post can be 2 sentences.
Repeat after us.
Post.
Post.
Very good.
Let's make a simple post.
Listen first.
Good morning, everyone.
Listen again.
Good morning, everyone.
Now you say it slowly.
Great job.
You can post this every morning. It is polite and friendly.
Another easy post. Hello, friends.
Repeat with us.
Hello, friends.
Nice pronunciation.
You are doing well.
Now let's talk about daily life.
Daily life means your normal day.
Example post.
I am at home.
Repeat slowly.
I am at home.
Very good.
Another example.
I am at work.
I am at work.
Excellent.
You can also post about feelings.
Feelings are important.
Example.
I am happy today.
I am happy today.
Nice English.
Another feeling.
I am tired today.
I am tired today.
That is real-life English.
Many people post food photos.
Yes, food posts are very popular.
Example post.
My breakfast today.
My breakfast today.
Let's make a full sentence.
My breakfast today is a banana.
Listen again carefully.
My breakfast today is a banana.
Now repeat.
Excellent job.
Another food post.
My lunch today is rice.
My lunch today is rice.
Very good.
You can change the food word.
Rice, bread, eggs, noodles.
Simple words.
Easy English.
Now let's learn another new word.
The word is comment.
A comment is what you write under a post.
Repeat with us.
Comment.
Comment.
Good job.
Let's learn easy comments.
Example 1.
Nice photo.
Repeat slowly.
Nice photo.
Very nice.
Example 2.
Looks good.
Looks good.
Perfect.
Polite comments are important.
Always be kind online.
Example.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you for sharing.
Very polite English.
Another polite comment.
Nice post, thank you.
Nice post, thank you.
Well done.
Now let's ask simple questions.
Questions help conversation.
Example question.
Where is this?
Where is this?
Good.
Another question.
Is this your home?
Is this your home?
Very good question.
Now let's talk about reactions.
Reactions show feelings.
Example.
I like this.
I like this.
Another one. I love this.
I love this.
Nice energy. Now let's practice together.
Listen first.
I post a photo.
I comment, nice photo.
Listen again.
Nice photo.
Now you say it.
Great job.
Another practice.
I post, I am drinking tea.
I comment, looks good.
Looks good.
Excellent.
One more practice.
I post, I am at the park.
I comment, nice place.
Nice place.
Very good.
Now let's practice longer comments.
Example.
Nice photo. Thank you for sharing.
Nice photo. Thank you for sharing.
Very polite and friendly.
Another example.
Looks good. I like this.
Looks good. I like this.
Excellent.
You are learning slowly and clearly.
That is the best way.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Practice a little every day.
5 minutes is enough.
10 minutes is great.
Let's review together.
Post.
Comment.
Good morning, everyone.
Nice photo.
Looks good.
Thank you for sharing.
Great work.
Now a question for you.
What do you like to post on social media?
Food photos?
Daily life?
Travel pictures?
Family moments?
Tell us in the comments.
Write one simple sentence.
Don't be shy.
We read every comment.
We're happy to see your English.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
You are doing amazing.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Take care and keep smiling.